Hi, my name's Rebecca Coles. I'm a Community Investment Officer at Newport City Homes. I'm here today to discover some new fresh ideas, to get to meet people and just have a good day and get lots from it.
I'm Joanne and I'm from Valleys to Coast. We're here today to get some ideas on what people think regeneration is, how we can engage with young people.
Ha'n enw i Sioned o Cartrefi Cymunedol Cymru. Be dwi'n gobeithio fydda i'n cael allan o heddiw ydy cael y cyfle i weld lot o brosiectau mae'n haelodau ni a cymdeithasau eraill yn i'w wneud, a bod ni'n medru hyrwyddo arfer da ar draws Cymru ac wrth gwrs yn cael bach o bwgi ar y ffordd hefyd. Hwyl wan.
My name is Kerry Duke. I work for Charter Housing Association. What I'm trying to pick up today is how we best offer our services to our tenants and doing it in a way which is fun and is exciting, and that's what fesTYval is about. It's about what we do but giving it to people in a very fun way.
Hello, I'm Andy Green from the Flexible Thinking Forum, and we're hoping today that we're going to meet other housing associations where we can help them build stronger and more vibrant communities.
I'm Alex from Bronafon. Today we're hoping to meet some people who can help us and see who we can help. And we've already met somebody today who might be able to help us with carpeting for some of the tenants that are struggling.
Hello, my name is Jade and I work for the Prince's Trust. It's been so interesting getting a chance to share skills, share knowledge and just speaking to people. I've really enjoyed doing activities and using that as a way to speak to other organisations.
Dylan Thomas, Cartrefi Cymunedol Gwynedd. Wedi mwynhau yr wyl heddiw yn ofnadwy, cyfarfod pobl gwahanol a clywed am lot o brosiectau gwahanol hefyd. Diwrnod gret.
Hi, I'm Rachel Morton. I'm from Valleys to Coast Housing. It's a great opportunity to actually talk to other regeneration professionals, which oddly enough we don't get that much of a chance to do. I mean, the feedback and the ideas I'm getting really are really good.
My name is Ron Keats and I work for Rhondda Housing Association. The main outcomes I think from today is to look at all the diverse ideas that are coming from the various organisations that work within community development, and maybe take a few of those ideas back to the organisation to see if we can incorporate them in the work that we do there.